40 days. 40 days.
Hi everyone! Just like in the second video in week 12, today I'll be talking about the duties and responsibilities about volleyball officials. Again, my name is Sigrid Espaldon.
My name is Jimmy Samuel Villama.
Okay, first let's start with the first referee. They are the head official standing on the referee stand. They make the final decisions, blow the whistle to start and end rallies, and watch for violations like net touches or ball handling errors.
Next is the second referee. They stand on the ground across from the first referee. They assist in calling, rotation, faults, manage substitution, and handling timeouts.
Okay, then we have the scorer. Their job is to record the score, track their rotations, and make sure substitutions are recorded properly.
So lastly, we have the line judge.
And there's also.
Hindi na diretso.
Ito no.
There's also assistant scorer or libero tracker. They monitor the liberos and tries and assist the scorer in keeping records.
Oh. Lastly, we have the line judge. They stay the corners of the court and signal whether the ball is in or out, and help detect put, falls, and during service. And each official plays an important role to make sure the game is fair, organized, and fun to watch. Uh, that's it for now. Thanks for listening, and click to the ano yan? Click to the notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod na video namin.
See you next week.
See you next week.